Hello, my name's Colin Ward and I'm speaking from what's commonly termed as the inner sanctum here in our nursery at Market Deeping in the county of Lincolnshire. We are very keen plants people, and I do have a presence on Twitter and also a blog which I'm hoping to actually run a few small videos from linked to YouTube. Why doing this? Because basically I've got very disillusioned with programs like Gardener's World, which tend to be more focused on personalities than plants and gardens and gardening. A lot of nursery people I speak to are all of the same opinion, so I thought I'd have a crack at doing a few little video montages from the nursery, from things that we do on the nursery, the garden, also some of the outside events that we attend, and hopefully I can generate a little bit more enthusiasm for plants and gardening. So what are these videos going to contain? Little bit of video diary, bits and pieces from our own garden. We are developing a new garden which is on a bit bigger scale than our present garden, and also some plant profiles and generally planty type stuff. My first plant profile video is about this plant, Aspidistra elator. Very tolerant of shade, tolerant of quite low temperatures, and also extremely drought tolerant. As you can see, that is quite a dry root ball, and the plant's not actually showing much ill effect from it. I say this quite jokingly because in our house it did used to struggle, especially during the winter time, and it was usually quite relieved to get outside into the garden in a pot for the summertime and get some nice recovery time. I did one winter about 8 years ago forget to actually take it in and didn't spot it till the springtime, and it was at that point I thought, you're actually looking very well, and as an experiment I left it again outside in a pot for the winter time, and it came sailing through that. As a result, I then planted it into the garden, and now I have 2 or 3 clumps of it running through different places in the garden. Because of its shade tolerant abilities, extremely good for dry shade, and it's been through the winter of 2010, which was a very bad winter and came through with flying colours. It got me interested in Aspidistras in general. Aspidistras can be very versatile in their appearance. Initially looking at this, you wouldn't think it was an Aspidistra, but it's a variety called Lineafolia leopard, which I picked up about 5-6 years ago, and I've just managed to sort of get a few saleable plants now ready for sale in this next spring. It's got very long leaves on it, which are quite delicately spotted. Now, a mature plant of this, I'm told the leaves will reach somewhere up to about 2 to 3 foot, so you can imagine that would be quite spectacular. Hardiness, I don't know. This is part of being a plantaholic, nursery person, always experimenting, so this year's the first year some of this has actually gone into my garden to see if it has the hardiness aspects that its cousin Elata does. Quite a lot of Aspidistras have spotted leaves. This is a variety collected by Krieg Nursery, a variety called Dorbanensis tidy trim. Broader leaves, but again very, very nice and spotty. Variety called China Star, which I obtained from Bob Brown. And another Krieg one, which comes under the inglorious name of One Fat Lady, but amazing variegated leaves, and I'm finding this one actually is quite prolific in pots, so I've actually got quite a bit of this going. I hope I've sparked a little bit of interest, and if you like what you're seeing and you feel I need a bit of encouraging, then please do let me know, either via the blog or via Twitter. I'm hoping that I've sparked some interest, and I'd love to carry on doing this, but you've got to appreciate running a nursery when we start getting into springtime. The intervals between these videos may increase a little bit, because I'll be working my socks off doing what I enjoy most, and that's working with plants and also working with plantaholics. Thank you very much.